What are some nutritious fast food alternatives? If you've ever felt guilty about grabbing a quick bite from a fast food joint, you're not alone. With more than 50% of adults in the US eating fast food at least once a week, finding healthier choices is more important than ever. Luckily, there are delicious and nutritious options that won't derail your diet. Let's explore some of the best alternatives that will keep you satisfied and nourished without compromising on taste. Nutritious fast food alternatives. 1. Instead of a classic beef burger, try a grilled chicken or turkey burger. They're lower in saturated fats and calories but still rich in protein. Many places offer whole grain buns, which are richer in fiber compared to the usual white bread. Add some fresh veggies like lettuce, tomato, and avocado for an extra boost of vitamins. 2. If you're in the mood for pizza, opt for a thin crust and load it up with vegetables. You can even choose a pizza with a cauliflower crust for a lower carb option. Look for pizzas topped with lean proteins like chicken or seafood and go easy on the cheese to keep things light. 3. Tacos are another fast food staple, but they don't have to be heavy. Go for soft corn tortillas instead of fried ones and fill them with grilled fish or beans. Top with salsa, lettuce, and a squeeze of lime for a fresh and flavorful meal. This way, you get protein and fiber while avoiding excess fats and calories. 4. Craving something crunchy? Instead of regular fries, try baked sweet potato chips. They offer more nutrients and less fat than traditional deep-fried options. You can even make your own at home, season them with herbs and spices for a tasty and healthy snack. 5. For those on the go, many fast food chains now offer salads with grilled chicken or tofu. Just be mindful of the dressings, opt for vinaigrettes or light dressings to avoid extra sugars and fats. Add some nuts or seeds for extra crunch and protein. So, next time you're in a hurry and tempted to hit the drive-thru, remember these nutritious alternatives. With a little planning and smart choices, you can enjoy fast food that's both tasty and healthy for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips on healthy eating.